Selling digital products and online courses has evolved from a mere side hustle into a lucrative opportunity, akin to discovering a pot of gold, provided one selects the right platform. Picture the freedom of selling digital creations or courses while relaxing in pajamas with a warm cup of coffee in hand. Intrigued? Let's explore the top platforms that can turn digital aspirations into reality. First, Gumroad. Gumroad is a great site for those venturing into the world of digital sales, whether they are selling ebooks, art, or software. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it a go-to choice. Features: customizable checkout pages that are visually appealing, options for memberships and subscriptions, instant payouts, eliminating long waits, integrations with various email and social media tools. Pricing: offers a free plan with a 10% transaction fee. Paid plans reduce this fee to 3.5% plus 30 cents per transaction. Ideal for freelancers and artists who value straightforwardness over excessive features. Second, Thinkific. With its intuitive drag-and-drop course builder, Thinkific makes the process of setting up online courses feel more like a game than a business endeavor. Features: capability to host live lessons and webinars, community-building tools for course participants, options for quizzes and certificates. Pricing: free plan available. Paid plans begin at $49 per month. Ideal for educators seeking a blend of customization and user-friendliness. Third, Podia is an all-in-one platform that offers versatility akin to a well-stocked spice rack, catering to various digital product needs. Features: unlimited products and student enrollments, built-in email marketing capabilities, support for affiliate marketing to boost sales, custom storefronts for personalized branding. Pricing: plans start at $39 per month with no transaction fees. Ideal for sellers who want a comprehensive solution for courses, digital products, and memberships. Fourth, PayHip. For creators who prioritize efficiency, PayHip offers a straightforward approach to selling digital products. Features: instant payouts for sales, EU VAT handling for hassle-free tax compliance, tools for affiliate programs, integrated email marketing functionalities. Pricing: free plan with a 5% transaction fee. Paid plans begin at $29 per month with no transaction fees. Ideal for creators seeking a simple and cost-effective solution. Fifth, Learn Worlds. For those who thrive on interactive learning experiences, Learn Worlds provides the tools needed to engage students effectively. Features: interactive videos and ebooks, customizable course templates, management of affiliate programs, advanced analytics to track student performance. Pricing: plans start at $29 per month. Ideal for educators focused on creating engaging and interactive content. Sixth, Etsy. While primarily known for handmade crafts, Etsy has also become a vibrant marketplace for digital products. Features: instant file delivery for buyers, access to a large audience of potential customers, built-in SEO tools for improved visibility, mobile app for easy management on the go. Pricing: 20 cents listing fee per item and a 6.5% transaction fee per sale. Ideal for sellers of digital products such as printables and templates. Seventh, Sellfy. Sellfy simplifies the process of selling both digital and physical products, making it an attractive option for creators. Features: supports subscriptions and memberships, built-in email marketing and discount tools, integrations with PayPal and Stripe, social media sales tools for broader reach. Pricing: plans start at $22 per month with no transaction fees. Ideal for creators looking for an all-purpose platform. Eighth, Udemy. Often referred to as the Netflix of online courses, Udemy offers a vast array of content and a massive audience for course creators. Features: access to a global marketplace for course sales, certification for students upon completion of courses, mobile app for seamless learning experiences. Pricing: no upfront costs. However, Udemy takes a 50% commission on sales. Ideal for educators who prioritize exposure over maximizing profits. In conclusion, the best platform for selling digital products ultimately depends on individual needs and goals. For those feeling overwhelmed by choices, Uploading products to multiple platforms can be a viable strategy. Consistency is crucial. Results may take time, but dedication will lead to success. Best of luck on the journey to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.